Hi guys, this is my banana muffin that I made today. Okay, ayan guys, nagbebenta ako guys sa mga kakilala ko lang, homemade, mga binimenta ko. Pa-order guys, so pa-order to guys, made to order, banana almond. Okay, so nabibisi-bisihan ako guys in the past few days. Yung ayaw naman sa almond, okay, they can prefer the plain one. Okay, the plain one. Yan. If you want almonds, so they put in almond. We have two sizes, guys. The 35 pesos, yung bigger size. Of course, bigger content, okay? So, yan. Yummers. Yan, guys. Libangan ko lang, guys, pag sinisipag. Order na kayo, guys. Order na kayo. Pampasalubong sa probinsya. Pampasalubong sa inyong mga kaibigan. Pang mga snackan ba sa office pag may meeting, 'di ba? Pwede din kayo mag-resell guys kasi I'm just giving this for a very very low price. Okay, magpa-order kayo guys. Halimbawa, gusto niyo mag-sideline sa office niyo, okay? Eto, bibigay ko mura lang, kayo na mag-top up. Okay, wholesale price lang. Napakasarap guys, at saka napaka-healthy. The muffin is made from very healthy lakatan. Okay, lakatan siya. At hindi yan tinipid guys sa lakatan. That is not made from flavoring, okay? Talagang fruit. Na talagang healthy. Okay, so alright. Order na kayo guys. DM me guys, DM me. Pag magpipiknik din kayo guys, perfect. Pag magpipiknik sa kape. Kung magkakape-kape kayo habang nagpipiknik, nako. Perfect na perfect guys. Kasi ako yan ang almusal ko lagi eh. Almusal, snack. O, diba? Healthy pa. Walang overdose. May almond pa. Right? Wala pa siyang mga preservatives added. But this can last up to 2 to 3 months in a fridge. Okay, so alright. Bye and thanks for watching, guys. Made to order. Order na kayo, guys. Banana almond. Our cooking tutorial is upcoming. Okay, you can also adopt the recipe if you want to have a home business, guys. Okay lang. No problem to me. Sideline lang natin mga mamshi. Okay?